What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Doing a little changing up the boat for my ditch light on my Tacoma, but we got another product review for you guys today, and the product is this guy right here. So this is the NewAir 48 quarts fridge freezer combo that the past 3 months or so I've been had a chance to review for them. They sent this out to me to do a little product review. So, but before we get into all the good and what I like about this fridge and all that good stuff, let's get into the unboxing video right now. Alright guys, so when your NewAir portable 48 quarts electric car fridge it's gonna look like this. So let's go into the unboxing video and what this fridge looked like. There's the fridge. All right, let's do a closer look at it. All right, this is a closer look at it. Ooh, this is nice. It's really sturdy looking handles. So as you can see there is the, let's see if I can focus on that, but the compressor is powered by the LG. So you know there's a nice brand compressor. So you got your charge area right here. You got your solar or your 12 volt, which I'm going to be using, but it's nice having the solar just in case you need it. This is actually one of the things I really need. I'm always looking for a bottle opener, so it's nice having this here. Handles, you can view it, looks sturdy. Controllers right here. Alright, let's open it up to see what's inside. Oh wow. I don't know if you guys see that, but it's probably all the instruction and stuff in there. Stop, please read. It's just a warning. But that's pretty deep. Got a little drain plug right here, I know that for sure. And they said this one comes with a cutting board. Look at that. That's pretty cool. So nice, what, 12 by 6 inches cutting board. Insulate foam here. Man, this is nice. Yeah. My first impression of this fridge. Definitely sturdy built, hard plastic, I believe. Inside here, similar stuff, other 12 volt fridge, your car charger for your cigarette lighter, straight into if you need it. Here's your charging, need it, which is this one. If you plan to use it at home, your adapter, of course, instruction manual, all that good stuff. But alright, let's get my Jackery out and then get this thing started. Alright, so like any 12 volt fridge freezer combo, you use a power station, which I'm using right now to power this on. So let's test this unit out. My cigarette lighter here. I don't know if you guys heard that, but definitely powering on. Yeah, it's always so satisfying moving these. And there it is. Ooh, I like the displays a lot. It's pretty bigger than the other fridge one. It's hard to hear, but the compressor's on. It's very low. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Got the lights here as well, LED lights. And that's it. That's all it is to get your fridge freezer combo started. Check this out. It should lock. I'm using one hand, but there it is. And you can just wheel it around instead of carrying it. So it'd be nice to wheel it to my car instead of carrying the heavy fridge. So definitely save my back. And then you gotta hold both sides. Yeah, it's nice. Can't wait to test this out on our camping trip. Alright guys, so what's my personal take on this new refrigerator freezer combo that I got from NewAir is I love this new fridge on my rig. So as you guys know, I think this is gonna be my 4th different refrigerator that I've been testing out, and this is by far my favorite. I love the Setpower, definitely is my first fridge freezer combo, but NewAir, there's a few features I just love going to this thing over the Setpower just a little bit. And the first is obviously the compressor. It's by LG. So as you guys know, LG is just a Korean brand, and so they're trustworthy and it lasts a lot longer. Even though the one, you know, hasn't really died out on me or anything like that, but it's nice to know that there's a name brand compressor in this fridge and freezer combo. And the second thing is I love this handle. I know it doesn't look like much, it just is kind of gimmicky if you really think about it. It's just a handle, but this thing makes it so much easier to hold and put it into your truck or wherever you need to carry. And I thought about, you know, whether I'm actually going to use this handle, but it actually came in handy about last month when we were going to the Eastern Sierra, where we have to camp at a campsite. There's a bear restriction, bear whatever, you know, they have to put the food away because of the bear sign. So I had to wheel this thing from my car all the way to the bear box in a different area of the camp. So having this handle and the wheels really help out, because as you know, if you put food in here, it's gonna be 60 pounds or so. So definitely heavy to be carrying around. So having these wheels to wheel to the area that I need to put it away in the store box or the bear box have been really nice. And it's nice to be able just to wheel to the car early morning and then put it in. So it's nice to have that option, having the wheels and the handles to support it. And the other thing is definitely the bottle opener. I've been using that thing a few times now. For some reason, I never have a bottle opener on my keychain or anything. Maybe something I gotta think about to bring it. But having that bottle opener just in case, you know, we want to have beer or something like that at camp, be nice to have. So that is definitely one less thing I have to think about when we're at camp, bottle opener. And also, I haven't got a chance to really use it, but the cutting board. You know, most of the time we bring cutting boards, but there's a few times where we kind of need the extra space to cut, whether I need to cut some veggies and stuff like that to help cooking. So having an extra cutting board would be really nice. So having that small cutting board definitely come in handy. And this thing is so quiet. We have the other fridge freezer combo. But this one, the compressor is so quiet, you can barely hear when it's on in our truck. The other one, we can kind of hear it when it goes on. But this thing, yeah, we can barely hear. We sometimes wondering if it's even on, but it is on. It's just that the compressor is really quiet. And it's really sturdy built. I mean,
It's made out of hard plastic, but man, I feel like this thing can take a beating. We put stuff on top of it before, all around, or Jackery and stuff like that, all over the place. And it's, when we go off-roading and bang back and forth, it definitely can take a beating. So definitely this thing is built pretty sturdy. And another thing that is really useful is having this USB charging right here. So, I mean, I can charge up the Jackery, but just in case you guys need an extra juice for whether it's phone or any type of electronic, having this is really nice to be able to charge whatever you need on it. So, and then the drain plug, I thought was kind of like, again, gimmicky to have a drain plug, but a month in, I actually did use the drain plug because we were off-roading and I have a little bit of food that was stored in a container and it spilled, and it got all over the place when we got it home, and I realized that, and you have to clean it, so that means I have to really use some soap and water to get some of that stuff out. And then I just opened the drain plug and was able to drain all that stuff out, and definitely it makes it easy for cleaning for sure. But alright guys, well, hope you guys liked that review video on this NewAir 48 quarts cooler fridge freezer combo. I hope you guys find that information informative and it helps you guys out. You guys can like that, push that like button real quick. That would really help this video out. And NewAir was kind enough to give me a discount to give to you guys. It's a 10% off discount, so I'll put the link in the description, a 10% off on this fridge right here. And I know NewAir has other product besides fridge and freezer. I was looking through their website and they have different small little products. We're thinking about getting their ice maker. My wife really liked the ice, you know, the way to make a certain ice on her drink. So it's nice to have that, that they have a machine that make that kind of stuff. So they have different products for sure on their website. So if you guys are interested in something like that, go check them out on their website. So I'll put it in their website in the link in the description and all that good stuff below. So hope you guys appreciate this review and find it informative. And again, if you guys like this kind of content, consider subscribing. And then, yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next adventure. All right, take care. Bye.